Hello guys, and welcome to the next update video. In this video I'm going to be showing a little bit of the new textures. As you can see, there's a new texture for the boot screening stuff. I'm not really too fond of it, but it'll have to work for now. I'm also not sure, this background is also going to be changed, but as you can see, it looks much better than it did, so that's a good start. So I don't think I ever explained how this world thing worked yet, but basically you have to remember what you name your worlds for now. Otherwise you have to go in the folder and just simply see what the name of the folder is if you forgot. But I'm just going to make a new world called Nolan, and then I'm going to click play. If you don't put anything in there, it's just going to make a default world. So you can see there's new textures for the inventory, and the inventory looks pretty decent. These buttons up here, the text isn't centered on them, but it's fine. Performance for this game is very good. Even I don't feel like it's running very fast right now, which is weird. It's probably because of the recorder. But yeah, I've got 1500 FPS in this game when I turned off VSync. I'll have to add that option to the game later, but there's no reason to run the game at that much or that many frames per second. But yeah, this is just to show off the new texture update. I'm gonna go ahead and load in a world so that you guys can see like what a house looks like and inventory and stuff with the new textures looks like. So I'll be right back for that. Alright, so here's a world with a nice house in it, and some chests and stuff. If you see this, don't worry about it. It's just, it only happens if you try to open the inventory before the world is loaded. It's not really a big deal. Also, this dark character is just because I'm running it inside the editor. You just saw me run it outside of the editor earlier, but I just opened up the editor because I already have a world in here. So as you can see, it's basically the same. This item is not actually in the game yet, so don't worry about that. But this item is in the game. As you can see, all the UI textures are updated. They have the box around them, so they look a little better when you place them in here. But yeah, there's not much else for me to explain with this update other than just have you kind of look around at all the new textures. Obviously it looks a lot better. So also leave any comments about anything that you have suggestions about, and yeah, I think that's the end of this update video. Also, I've heard that this is going to be put on Steam Greenlight soon, so I'll see. I'll update you guys on that a little bit later. So I'll see you guys in the next update.